So I think the easiest thing about planning your unit, for example, with the PLC group, you know, you have four people as an example. You're gonna get four different outcomes as an individual in the PLC. But now you're gonna have to start to work in the middle and negotiate a little bit, and again meet in the middle with what you want all of your students to learn, not just your own classes. So I think that's the toughest part when it comes to backward planning, is really knowing the objectives and the outcomes of what you want your students to get. So the easiest thing is, at least you're kind of on the same idea as a group of what you want. You just need to really hone in and kind of meet in the middle again. The easiest thing I think when it comes to planning a unit out by yourself is it's your class. You know what you want your students to get out of it, and then all the assessments and the content kind of falls into place right after that. But I really think the hardest part of learning, I guess, planning your unit out, backward designing as an individual, is really trying to get something out of everyone in the class, trying to have all your objectives met with every student, your high skilled students and your low skilled students, because no matter what, at the end of the day, you want all of your students to be engaged. You want all of your students to learn something. So I think the toughest part, personally, when it comes to planning a unit out with backward designing, is that you want all of your students to be engaged in some sort of way. And so making those objectives just as easily, I guess not easily, but just as much met